Hello, my beautiful people. I am back in Pennsylvania, and let me tell you, that ride was hellacious. Yeah, it was crazy. I was praying. I was seriously praying on the way home because the weather back east was horrible, and I have to say, the pilot was funny, and he told us. He said, "Listen, when we leave Chicago, we're gonna have turbulence going up. We're going to have smooth sailing for a while, and then about a half an hour before Newark, things are going to get real, and there is going to be severe turbulence." And he was not joking. So never, and I fly a lot, never have I heard a pilot, because he did say, he said, a half an hour before we reach Newark, I am going to bench the staff. There will be no services from that point forward, so get whatever you need. But a half an hour before we land, they're going to be seatbelted. So I've never heard that before. And then, when it came time, it was like, this announcement came over and it was the captain, and he's like, "This is the captain speaking. Crew, you have 4 minutes exactly, not 1 second more, to get belted." I have never heard a captain say that. And let me tell you, the plane went this way, and went this way, and it went like this. And I was like crapping my pants. And of course, my son, this was his first trip ever on an airplane. So, by the grace of spirit, we are safe. Got home to Palmerton at 4:30 in the morning. Anyway, I am not here to tell you about my trip. I am here to unpack my Goddess Provisions box. It came. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't had time to watch anybody else's unboxing, so this will be all surprises for me, which I need. All right. Refresh and renew is the theme. You know I don't look at the card, but that is the theme of the box. Let's see what's in it. What do we have first? All right. Oh, we have a heat-changing mug. Magical libations and good vibrations. Well, that's cool. Let's see what it looks like, shall we? I just love how well packed their things are. Very nice. Very nicely packed. Goddess Provisions, you do a good job. A lot of paper. Cushioned. Oh, wow. That's cool. It's got that thing on it. I suck at the camera. Then on this side, it has that thing. That is really good. That's really cool. I'm going to guess because it has gold fleck that you do not put this in the microwave. But this will be a teacup. I do not drink coffee, and if I have any tea drinkers out there that can, say amen, once you put coffee in a cup, that taste never comes out. And if you're a tea drinker, we have cups in our house that are designated for tea. My cups and my mother-in-law's cups, because she doesn't drink coffee either. And we do not allow coffee in our cups, because once you put that coffee in there, that taste never comes out. I used to drink coffee, and I had a hysterectomy, and they didn't know that I was septic. My husband brought me a cup of coffee, and I puked it out my nose. So I don't drink coffee. The smell of it makes me want to hurl. So, fun fact, this will be a teacup for me. So, that is a nice... It's not, I have a really, as you know, my pink cup that I have is pretty big. I like that cup, because that's a nice, proper cup of tea. But that's good, too. All right. What else do we have in here? We have a thing. I don't know what this is, but we shall see. It's tied together with the cutest little twine. I'm so easy to impress. I really am. So easy to impress. A little bit of twine. Make me happy. What does it say? Made in China. Oh, it has a little sticker on it. What is this? It's a bag. Little bag. That's cute. It's like canvasy. I don't know if the teacup goes in it. But that's a cute little bag. That's cute. Okay. What else do we have in here? Crystal infused mist. It's for space clearing. Made in Bali. Natural. Well, let's... Oh, really, I struggle with packaging. It is the bane of my existence. Oh. It has, parts. It has parts. And it has a little thing to read. which is clever. So where is this going to go? There. I will read this. Bali Pura. Space clearing, energetic cleansing for hope in workspaces. Honey, I'm going to need a bigger bottle than this. I'm going to need a vat for that, just saying. But you... smells pretty good. You put the top on. And you spray. I like that. That smells actually pretty good. Sometimes I don't like these things. They smell weird. This one does not smell weird. So, that's a keeper. I like that. Alright, Goddess Provisions. What's next? Inner Eye Ceramic Dish. This must be for your tea bag. I have no idea if it's for your tea bag. I can't even understand how to open a box. Seriously. I'm a well-educated woman. I have lots of degrees. Opening boxes, never covered in any one of my degree programs. Just saying. Oh, that's cool. What's the eye? And it's like raised. That's really cool. I'm not really into the eye stuff, but I like that. Okay, well that's legit. What else we got? We have a stone. It's a yellow one. Where's Hestia? She always knows what these stones are. I can't even open the bag of the stone, Hestia, to show you. Because that's how ridiculous I am. I'm sure there's a place. You peel something, and there we go. I'm going to say it's yellow carnelian, maybe. Maybe that's carnelian. Oh, it's pretty. I guess you maybe put it in a dish. I don't know. What else is in here? Lunar Light Suncatcher's Window Decal Set. Now remember, Goddess Provisions isn't doing monthly boxes anymore, so these are all things that came in previous boxes. I have never received any of these things. I might have received these, actually. Yes, I have received these in a previous box. And I believe I gave them to my adopted niece. So these will go to her again, so she can have some more. I don't have the kind of windows you can put decals on, so, but they're cute. And I will say that this was a good box. I mean, you know, they're kind of, I think, clearing out some of their inventory, so that's what these things are all for. You know, just getting rid of some of the things that they have. But I definitely like the spray. I like the dish. I like the stone. I love the cup. So it wasn't bad. So there you have it. Goddess Provisions. This is the January box. Couldn't remember what month it was. I'd love to see if you got yours, what you got in yours, if you got the same stuff I did. I have one more box before my subscription expires. I won't be renewing again. They've renewed me in a sneaky trickery way, but I won't be renewing again, so I think my next box is my last. Maybe I have one more after that, not sure. But I am wishing you all the best of light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.